What's up, guys? We're getting on to day 2 of this mini bike build. Just gonna tear the old jack shaft plate out, cut it out, grind everything down. We're gonna try and get the top end going on this new motor, but I appreciate you guys watching. If you're watching, I hope it's because you're interested, and just subscribe right there, man. Give us a like on this video. Don't forget, we got a lot of stuff to come, so if you're not already a subscriber, get in there. Just click. My wife's supposed to put a link right there. Cut this plate out. We're gonna take the seat off. She's gonna get cut about right here and here to get a good stretch. All right, boys. That's our inner master lane. You see that? Put that back on. Cut it right back together. Trying to find a master link. It is. It's pretty much day 2. We're gonna take the seat off. We're gonna strap it to the stand. Get the mounting plate out and get back to work on this motor here in a little while. She gonna have some integrity, boys. Nice. Looking good? Look here, boys. Almost all the room we need. When I parked it, she wasn't stuck. Now she's stuck. So I'm kind of doing a little something on the top end. I don't know if you can see that bad boy or not. That looked like a blown up, busted piston. So this is gonna be a full blownsies because that's gonna be in the bottom end. I'm just kind of helping to try and get a little, you know what I'm saying? A little in there, a little here and there. It can't hurt nothing. It just surprises me because when I parked this sumbitch, it wasn't stuck. Little pro tip, if your top end's stuck, you got to get it off either way to fix the bike. Whether it's going to ruin shit or not, it has to come apart. Soaked her for a while. You penetrate it. You wrap on it so that oil can really get down in there. By the way, I got her free. You go to the flywheel, you turn her backwards. See there? She's unstuck. Now we're going down to bottom. Instead of top dead center, I need bottom center. And that's almost it. That's it. Okay. Actually, I'm going to go back just a butt hair. Actually, a butt hair's a lot. We're going to see, guys. It's holding me up, damn it. Button. Okay. There's the jug. We're going to set that there for now. Oh, boy. Fucking grenaded. Look at this, guys. This thing was dirty. That bottom end is loaded up with what looks to be broken metal shavings from this, no doubt, and a ton of mud. So, no telling how long they ran it like that. We can, whoever put the fucking C-clip in put it in wrong. You see that? Stuffing this with rags first, because that little pin ends up in your bottom end, and you got more problems than you fucking had when this piston grenaded. So I just stuffed this. If you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, I mean, the piston's probably good for a couple more seasons. So I'm just gonna re-ring it, put some new, see that's, I think the problem is this top ring is just ate off. So once we get this top ring fixed, I mean, look at that, Travis. That top ring's no good, you guys. So once we get this top ring fixed, I might replace this bearing just to be safe, but I'm probably just gonna run this piston, guys, and we'll have her back together by this afternoon. Cause it's a mess. Getting my area all sanitized up. About to have this machined after I clean it all out. We're racking this up out here, and I'm gonna try out some stuff a mini bike guy recommended. We're gonna see what's up. Really excited to see what this stuff will do to the CR bottom end. We'll see if you guys are telling the truth. I'm trying it. I seen it online. One of you guys were bragging about it. My wife said, I've got some of that. What's up, dog? What are you doing?
Chilling, man. So you're getting it nice and clean there.
Trying to. Guys, this is why you change your air filter. Look at this shit, man. Just some old fucking... And this is why you take every bit of it apart. Some dumbasses that put a new top end in there and fucking run it like that. Got some yeller jackets in it or something. Look at all that caca. You can still see a little fragment of metal in there, bro. See all that? Today we went and chopped out the mounting plate, grinded off all the old welds. Gonna cut this sumbitch in half and stretch it. I do believe we've got the bottom main contaminants out. We're just kind of cleaning this motor before we take it apart any further. Degridding this motor. So I'm kind of letting it do its thing. Almost clean enough, boys. We're gonna let her sit a little while longer with the stuff on it. We're gonna brush her one more time with the drill using this old right there. I even got the barbecue brush I use a lot for cleaning engines. It works really well. Look at that good looking top end juice coming out of there. How about that, boys? Got all that out of the power valve. Just going slow for now. Getting a little work done on it. So I got the motor all apart, figured out what's up. We're gonna order the top end. I'm gonna end up having to use a jack shaft, because otherwise I would have to, the engine won't mount dead set center in the frame, side to side. So I'm gonna have to mount it dead center, and then I'm just gonna have to use a jack shaft, which I don't really wanna do. Tomorrow, cutting her here and here, and stretching it out, and then behind the motor, there'll be a jack shaft in front of it. The pipe's gonna come through the split here, right out that hole. So it's gonna be tilted up a little more. And then we're gonna have to mount the radiator, and we're gonna put a gas tank here. And I'm gonna have plenty of room to make it all work. I might ditch the headlight for a wicked radiator setup, but we'll see. My main problem I'm having with this bike at this point is to run the width of the back tire I wanna run on it, to run the street tire I wanna run on it. I'm gonna have to use a jack shaft. Not really what I wanted to do, but if I try and put it in without a jack shaft, I either have to use a thinner back tire, or the motor's not gonna sit dead center. So if you guys have any recommendations, tell me in the comments, because it's kind of, I'm a little bit pissed off about having to run it, but maybe it'll give me more control over the gearing that way. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, check out some other videos. Appreciate it, guys.